It's snowing out, so there's that. We're gonna reset today. First things first on a reset day is hydrate. Because let's be honest, I've only put coffee in my body up until this point. Just making a bit of a snack. I peeled these pomegranates last night, and then we don't usually buy the yogurt cups. These were on sale. Just some vanilla Icelandic yogurt. It's got a lot of protein, so pretty good snack. And our Chemex broke, so French press for now. Really quickly, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Ombre. What they are is an at-home gut health test kit. So all you do is when you order this kit, you send in a very special sample, and they will analyze it and essentially kind of do a check and analysis on your microbiome and your gut health. So I do think this is really cool if you have a lot of food sensitivities, and they'll even give you recommendations on foods to avoid and even foods that feed and nourish your microbiome. So everything you need to do the Ombre test is sent to you in this little kit. All you have to do is slap on a return label, send it back, and within a couple of weeks they will analyze your sample and give you your results. And don't worry, the whole process may sort of seem gross, but it's actually really easy in practice, very clean. Don't worry about it. So even if you tend to be more on the squeamish side, I think you'll be fine. So thank you again to Ombre for sponsoring this video. And if you were interested in giving them a try and seeing kind of what's going on with your own gut microbiome, you can click the link in the description down below to get $30 off your own at-home test kit. Do you ever just have a plan for your day and then you suddenly lose all of your energy and you're just like, nope? That's definitely what came over me. Yeah, and I've been feeling really good lately. I've been feeling really energized and really content and confident in myself, with my finances, with my stuff pile, all that. And I just sometimes you just put this pressure on yourself where you just expect yourself to be on all the time. And I had a lot of plans today, and I'm just energetically, I am just nope, I cannot meet these today. And that's just what's gonna have to happen. I don't know. I've had a lot of deadlines and stuff this month, so I'm definitely feeling the burnout and the creative burnout, because I think working in YouTube and social media, it's a lot more work than you might think. There's a lot that goes in behind the scenes, and I feel there's also this pressure to just be creative all the time. And sometimes I feel it comes so naturally, while other days it feels forced. And today I had a lot of plans for what I wanted to do and film and create, and then I was just no. And my body is really telling me no, today is a day to relax, take care of yourself, lay down in bed, which I have literally done for the past hour. And I think it's something we have to be okay with every once in a while. We can't tap into our productivity all the time, because that can get really, that can just lead to burnout really fast. I think I might even take a nap today. So, yeah. So I just tried watching like a YouTube video just to like pass some time, and I started to feel really anxious. So I'd say this is my cue to take a social media break. And that used to feel like a really big deal, but nowadays I find that I can really set that boundary around social media because life goes on. It's okay. You didn't really miss anything. Whatever the Kardashians are doing this week, like, does it really change whatever happens in your life? Not really. And if you're on the creator side, it can feel very threatening to be quiet on social media and to not be posting because that's your livelihood, and like, you know, being present and being active on there is very important. It's a very important part, but like it's not worth your mental health. And I just feel like mine is just I'm getting too sucked in. So we're taking a break, and that's cool, and I'll be back. I'm reading Essentialism again as the book this time. When I first read it, I had it as an audiobook, which is excellent, by the way, if you prefer to listen to books rather than read them. Definitely get this as the audiobook, but I'm just really feeling like I need to slow down and be off screens. And I think this is also pretty topical for like the season of life that I feel like I'm in, sort of reevaluating my view of minimalism, my application of minimalism. Maybe it's in a more of an essentialism kind of way. It's got to be an ism of some kind, doesn't it? But I mean, I feel like this book will just really resonate with how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna give it a read, have my tea. I made a lemon ginger tea. Yeah, I'll probably go for a walk around the block later, but I'm gonna give this a read for a bit this afternoon to like slow down and chill. Also, I have some saltwater taffy. Basically all I'm doing with my hair right now. It's like going very loose, chill bun. Here's the at-home fit. And I also have this pile. Here, I'll turn you around. This is the sort of declutter pile that Ivanka from the Tidy Moose helped me sort of whittle down. So Ivanka from the Tidy Moose is a professional KonMari consultant and professional organizer. So basically this is the stuff that I am going to go through and either sell or donate. So this will probably be up on my Poshmark. I mean, also I can give you a quick update on the closet. I think it looks really good. My Anina Bing blazer, I decided to put back up and challenge myself to wear it because I don't think I was quite ready to let it go yet. It is quite beautiful. I filmed in it the other day. I still like it. I still feel maybe about it, and you're allowed to do that, you know? Give yourself permission to let go when it feels right and to not when it doesn't. And you can always revisit, you know what I mean? I think it looks really good. I have my sweaters hanging up here now. Should I do like a whole closet tour? I think I'm gonna do a video that's like a whole closet tour. All of my shoes, you can see. I had them all in boxes before, so that was like a big reason why I would like never really wear any of my shoes. So I think that looks really good. Just feeling like really satisfied with my closet right now. I think it looks good. The color palette is like another story, but that's my vibe. I don't know. I hope you guys like that little closet tour. I need to go to the drugstore and it's snowing outside, like full on snowing, like, okay, winter is here. So getting ready to go out. And this will also be my opportunity to get some fresh air. I don't feel like I have the energy to do any like intense working out, anything like that, or do like a whole like that girl reset day. This is just me doing my best to be like kind, gentle, and taking it slow, taking it easy so that I can reset properly. Because I find sometimes these reset days, like, I love watching them on YouTube, but sometimes I feel like they push this sense of like productivity and being like ultra healthy, ultra ideal. There's still this like sense of perfection that comes with it that I feel when I watch these things sometimes. It's like, it's inspiration, but it also is aspirational. And I find when I feel like I want to aspire to that sort of lifestyle, then that's when I feel like it can start getting a little... I would rather be inspired by those types of videos rather than aspire to do exactly what she's doing to reset and be productive. So with that in mind, I'm just chilling. I'm gonna go for a walk, gonna grab what I need. We are going out into the Great White North. I'm wearing my Blundstones. They are honestly not that great for winter and they don't have very good tread, but it's not like crazy snowing outside. So we're getting into snow boot season soon, that's for sure. It's cold out, but it was actually a really nice walk. I'm glad I went. I didn't end up finding what I was looking for at the drugstore. That's good. I didn't spend any money. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, just spending the rest of the afternoon, evening, like chilling out. I'm probably gonna have another tea, maybe watch some Curb Your Enthusiasm, and just relax because a reset day doesn't necessarily have to be productive. I hope you guys like this video and thank you again to Ombre for sponsoring it. If you wanted to try the at-home gut health kit, I will leave everything linked down below for you, including the discount, so check it out. And I'm still waiting on my results, so I'll be sure to update you guys in a future video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you rest up and take the time you need when you feel like you need it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.